Friends, good morning to all of you people. I hope you are very well with your family and friends because I strongly believe that as long as you are happy with your family and the friends, that is the first lesson for GPS happiness. Happiness starts with a family, with a friends. Environment comes afterward. Just a small 2 or 3 seconds. I'm Dr. Prakash, Chairman Life Celebrations, Work Life Balance Coach, and keynote speaker, faculty development programmer. Again, I will welcome to my video. Wishing you best of life for the rest of life. It is my sincere intention creating behind this video. Always take care, be yourself. I'm deliberately creating big fonts, use italics, use bold letters. These are comfortable for your eyes to view. Please hold mobile horizontally. I am presenting in a simple sentences, adding one-liners, adding anecdotes. All this enables you to log on to complex concepts in contemporary frame. Most of the times, when I listen to the discourses of Upanishads and holy scriptures of India, people always tell in a past tense. It is very difficult for present people to sync with it. So I have made entire context in a contemporary frame so that you can easily contact with it. Now, you need an inspiration and motivation to be proactive. Always, friends, some push is required to go ahead. So this inspiration, motivation, Kathopanishad is number one, number A double plus. What it says, arise, awake, stop not till you reach goal. What an inspiring, like friends, so see, he tells, arise, awake, stop not till you reach goal. Don't stop, you just go ahead. You just go ahead. That is Kathopanishad Adhyaya 1, Valli 2, Mantra 14. These are the favorite lines of Swami Vivekananda. He was always quoting this, arise, awake, stop not till you reach your goal. That is from the Kathopanishad. And Swami Vivekananda's life is synonymous with this verse. He never stopped in those days with a minimum infrastructures to travel. But anyway, he reached American countries, and second time also he has gone. What are the difficulties he has faced? You see, some other video I'll just share with you. Okay. Now, it is an ultimate motivation. As I told you earlier, it is an earlier ultimate motivation. Let me share a real event of Olympic Games of 1948 and 1952. Terror attacks, an Hungarian was serving in the army. Karoli was an Hungarian serving in army. He lost his right hand in an unexpected blast of grenade. Friends, please remember, he lost his right hand in an unexpected blast of the grenade. But he was determined to win the gold medal in the Olympics. He practiced for long hours to shoot from the left hand. It requires a lot of a control over your mind and the body to shoot from the left hand. If you are born with a left hand, it's different. But when you are practicing from the right hand and using the left hand, it takes a lot of time. But Olympic Games 1940 and 1944 were postponed due to the World War II. All these unexpected hurdles did not dampen the spirits of Karoli. Other people could have been disappointed and given a lot of excuses. My right hand is not there, and the World War it has come. 40 it is not there. 44 it is not there. So I lost my flow. I am just withdrawing myself. I am sorry. Everybody could have agreed with him, but Karoli won gold medal in London Olympics in 1948. Again, he won in gold medal in Helsinki Olympics in 1952. Why I'm quoting this particular event with you all people is that you will be trying to understand how to monitor your mind and how not to lose confidence in yourself so that you will proceed ahead. Let us not give ears to the or criticism of the people who are always there to discourage using their experiences. This example clearly proves that GPS for happiness is going on your way, what you determine, irrespective of the odds and difficulties. Now, let me put a second example. You must have all seen the Manji movie. Again, it is the greatest example for arise, awake, and stop not till you reach the goal. Dasharat Manji was a laborer in Gehalur of the Bihar. Okay. Then his wife Falguni Devi was seriously injured. She was not well. Doctor was available far away, almost 90 kilometers from Gehalur. Falguni Devi died as she could not travel 90 kilometers for medical treatment. Finally, Manji decided that he has to connect with some road to the remote village. Okay. Manji decided to cut the hill to make a good road accessible to the remote village. It was too interior. The village was too interior from the main town or main city. He decided to cut the hill. He decided to cut the hill not by bulldozer, as in the present. It is very easy. In those also bulldozer was available. But he used chisel and hammer. See, the very picture of cutting the hill using the chisel and hammer, it brings an ironic smile on our face. A lot of people made fun of him, but he was totally deterred. He didn't mind, and he didn't give any ear to the criticism of the people who told it is not possible. What is the length? Length is 110 meters, width is 9 meters, depth is 7.7 meters. This is the statistics of what he is supposed to do. But Manji does not become victim of fun and criticism. As earlier I told you, he was very firm, and he started in 1960 and he worked till 1982. 1960 and 1982, almost 22 years. Manji was very much successful. At the end in 1982, distance was drastically reduced. Minimum 40 kilometers reduced from 55 to 40 kilometers. It is not a small achievement from anybody, you see. Continuously to work for 22 years, what may be his age, and as age proceeds to see what may be his mental stamina and physical stamina. These are all the compulsions of other people has put in on us, you see. When Dasharat Manji can do this, you see, why can't we do? We should prepare our mind to go ahead, to push ourselves what is important for us, irrespective of whether it has been done in the past or whether it could be done in the future. Hope you will definitely enjoy this particular incident of Mr. Manji. Okay. Now, I will give you the recent example. An orange seller builds a school for his village. An orange seller. He decided that a school has to be done in his own campus or in his own villages. Government of India recently honored him with a Padma Shri in 2021. Recently. Okay. Ultimate motivation. Arise, awake, stop not till you reach goal. Arise, awake, stop not till you reach your goal. Sir and ma'am, it is not a mere statement. It is not a dogma, or it is not an election manifesto. It has to be implemented in the life. And when we see this kind of people who have lived that, they push themselves to manifest what they desire. Sri Hajabba was selling oranges in the bus stand. He was selling an ordinary seller of oranges in the bus stand. One day, a foreigner wanted to buy oranges, but Sri Hajabba didn't know English to communicate. So what he did, you see, he felt very embarrassed, you see. He was very hurt because he could not understand the English language, what the foreigner is speaking. So immediately he has decided that he's going to start a school to the children of Harikala village. So what has happened with me, it should not happen the future generation, future children. So let us start a school which is not in his area, that is Harikala village. He approached MLA for Ullal near Mangalore, in Karnataka. His name is, MLA's name is Sri U.T. Khadar. He was a 4-term MLA. Sri Khadar was shocked to listen that an orange seller wanted to start a school. He explained it is very difficult to get permission to start a school in a normal way. He explained, he is convinced, but Haji Abbas, he was insisted and he was firm to task to start a school, and somehow Sri Khadar helped him to start a school. Okay. He sold oranges till afternoon, Haji Abbas. Till afternoon, he sold the oranges, ate 1 parota, persuaded government officials for the permission. His close and poverty-struck face did not create any enthusiasm in government machinery to help Haji Abbas. See, an attire makes a lot of difference. Whether when you enter an office, see how the people will perceive you, that you are a person to execute, or just you are a curiosity basis, or you don't have any infrastructures. Immediately they come to conclusion and they make a profile, and accordingly that is they interact with you. So nobody has taken interest in Haji Abbas matter. However, Haji Abbas ran from pole to pillar to get a permission for the school. Friends, it is for 6 years. 6 years a person is running from pole to pillar, apart from doing his personal profession, for 6 years. In India, it takes 6 years to get a permission. All the matters was required and all the facts were established that there is no school and all technical difficulties were totally eradicated. But even then, it has taken 6 years to start a school. During this time, his children did not have any required food. See his personal life. Always we tell you, see, in my personal life, I'm not good, so professionally I cannot deliver. So some of the mind is totally preoccupied with the welfare of my family. But he didn't budge for that. He didn't have any weakness for this kind of an excuse. He said, my family may be suffering. They may not be getting a required food. And his wife was suffering from asthma. Above that also. His wife was suffering from asthma. Haji Abbas's personal life did not let her to pursue his dream. A lot of people, when I go for work-life balance coach, they always grumble, my family life is not to the expectation I wish. I got a lot of personal difficulties to come out from the home, and my psychological faculties will be drained because I cannot achieve the greatness in my life. But he did not so. Finally, in 1999, permission was granted to start a primary section locally in a madrasa school, came to existence in June 17, 2000. June 17, 2000, the school came into existence. A school began in 2007. Will to create infrastructure to start is needed. It is your will. I will definitely do it. I will definitely create an infrastructure. With a minimum infrastructure, I will start. That is the will. But do not need a great infrastructure, great infrastructure to start. We are seeing the palatial buildings of the universities and the colleges and the infrastructure and the glamour and the glitter that is there. That was none of was there. But he, with a strong bent of a mind, you see, he has achieved. A school has started. High school also has begun consequently with that. Now, Haji Abbas is synonymous for the arise, awake, stop not till you reach goal. He didn't stop. He didn't give any excuses. We should be grateful, Sri Guruppa of Vasajiganta newspaper, because this man brought the news and the efforts what the Haji Abbas has done to the outside world. Otherwise, we could not have been known or the government could not have been known, or the higher authorities could not be known, or the selected the people who select the Padma Shri award, they could not be known about the existence of such a orange silver man. The credit goes to Guruyappa for Hosadiganta newspaper. Now, recently, Government of India has honored him with a Padma Shri. They have given a Padma Shri. You see, you can we can just log on to the YouTube. You see, his dress. People generally to attend a formal functions, you see, they wear all glittering clothes. And he was just with a loose jubba and with one kind of a lungi. The great infrastructure of a Rashtrapati Bhavan, where our President Govind is giving the award to him, it is such a contradictory that we feel sorry. We feel sorry that, you see, even authorities didn't take much interest in at least upgrading his attire. But that doesn't matter anything to me. He was a very simple guy in the beginning, in the Mangalore, in the Ullar, in the president office also. When he received Padma Shri, he was the same person. Now, of course, you must be very much aware that, you see, he was honored Padma Shri. Friends, these three examples are not sufficient to put a small fire in your belly to start something great. Don't wait for the great infrastructures, a great help. Somehow it will come. My life is also an example, and I will state this matters in future. Friends, this brings me a great smile on my face. At the age of 68 years, I got an opportunity to see a person who sells orange in the bus stand, and now he starts a school. How much grateful we should be to this great person, how much grateful the children of the village are for this great person that he has educated, he has brought the cognitive science in practice. Just like this, you see, I will just share some events in the next video. Please follow my next video. Always take care. This most important. You take care of yourself. You be strong to lead, to take control of others. When you are strong, definitely you can take control of others. That's why always I insist that is a GPS of happiness is always take care. Be strong. Be strong. Blessings. I will see you soon. Namaste.